Hi guys, how are you? How is everything? This is Esther Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Okay, we recently made soap. Somebody came for physical training with me, so we're making soap together with her. The soap suddenly started volcanoing. You know, I've handled volcanoing in soap quite a few times, but this one kind of took us by surprise. Somehow, Sha. Anyway, the video is here. I'm going to post it. I'm posting it now. We managed to combat it. The soap didn't spill over. We didn't have any losses. But I just felt, let me ask you guys, what do you think we did there that stopped that volcano, that we took control of that volcano? And you can imagine that was a small batch. You can imagine if it was a large batch, what will happen? It was semi-hot process, okay? So I need answers. If you've been following me, if you're in my class, you are supposed to know how to combat volcanoing in soap making in an easy way, okay? So I need people to give me answers. I'll be waiting in the comment section. The 3 people that give me a good answer, I need at least 2 ways you can combat it. 3 people that give me good comment, I'll be adding them to my soap making class, okay? The first 2 people will be my soap making class. The last 3rd person will be in my detergent class. I'll add him to my detergent class. So I'm waiting for you guys, okay? Don't fail me, comment, tell me what to do to combat volcanoing in semi or hot process soap. Meanwhile, watch the video and enjoy it. Ciao! Saboda yanda yana da gudaje ne ba haka ba. Make transparent one zai na wanka zai nim ɗauka temperature ɗin sa sai ki checking kin bar shi yana moving sai ya kai da kin gan bai moving kamin ki san cewa the measurement got to measure point. So yana so ya volcano yi da sauri yana volcano ina so kin gani har tafi da sauri ya fi zuba kuma yana volcano sosai ba wancan bai mun ba. Yana cin sauka. Gashi nan. Oh, Father Lord. Yeah, Lord Jesus. eh za ka inda kula ya canza.
Alcohol ɗin yana saka shi.
Kuma yana cikin shi. Ki kake shi wani one direction na yawa ɗin ka cha. Yana tsinke wanda ba kisan ba stick blender muke yi ne. Na yi kuma da wanda sun particle pieces din su. Sai shi ba stick blender muke yi. Le alcohol na kada ya safiya. Haka za ki kada shi ba fa. An kulle mu shi na zo. No shaking.